Hello, this is Donna Melcher with Stampin' Up, and I have got a tip for you today. It has to do with a sale that's going on right now with Stampin' Up. If you were at my house right today, I would tell you these things that I'm about to mention in this video. So first of all, these packs of cardstock plus a whole bunch more, select colors right now are 15% off. So our cardstock, the particular ones that are on sale, these here, are 8.5 by 11, and they come in a pack of 24 sheets. It's beautiful cardstock, real thick quality. It doesn't like bend right away. It's super good cardstock. So bunch of colors. You can check them out on my website right here. So those are the 8.5 by 11s, and then also a select amount of our two-tone. So our two-tone comes in 12 by 12, and that has got two different shades. So one lighter shade and one darker shade, all in the same piece. It's a little thinner, as you can see, and it's a little smoother of a cardstock, but it's great to work with. It's really nice to have the two tones if you're going to be working on a project where you want to accentuate the two sides. So then there's a whole bunch of other designer papers. So I'm going to show you, first of all, this little pack of 6 by 6. So this pack here is on sale for 15% off, and I just want to show you a couple card samples also made with that pack of cardstock. So super easy to make up some cards with that. Then this pack here is called Garden Poetry. Some real fun, bold patterns. So you've got bright regal colors in this one, and you can see the backs of them have got like a watercolor wash, so it kind of calms it down if you want to pair both the front and the backs of these. Ooh, look at that pretty one right there. So there's another one, 15% off. Here's one more. This one's called Lovely Blossoms. I have used this pack of paper so many times. This here, this green linen, we're actually using on a card if you attend my September class. So this is where I got that paper. So this is, these are some of the patterns. I'm missing a few because I've used them up or they're in another pack. But that's the idea with this one. Here's a card made with that particular designer paper. I've used this over and over. Probably had three different packs that I've been working through. Then we've got this one. This has been out of stock for a little bit, but guess what? It's back today. So if you were waiting for it, don't wait any longer. It's a huge seller. So beautiful papers. It's got some smaller patterns like this, and then it's got some more monochromatic, and then it's got some bold, bright patterns with beautiful accents behind. And again, there's like 2 patterns I don't have here because I used it in the class. In fact, it was this class right here, and I used those pieces up. But this is a fun little idea you could do with this paper right here, Moonlit Flora. Here is another one that's made up with that paper. So this one has got that back there. So that's another one, 15% off. And then this one here, this has been around a while, but I really like it. Floral Charm, soft little prints. So you've got the watercolor wash on the back side again, and it's got some beautiful florals. And look at that rose. And then the backs, look at how pretty that back is. So very pretty paper. That one again is called Floral Charm, 15% off. Then this one was such a huge hit when it first came out. If you didn't get it because it was sold out when it first came out, grab it now because it's back in stock. So cute little bugs, it's called Sweet Bugs. You know what, let me look. It is called Cute as a Bug. And so here's the paper. So fun. Look at how calm that one is with the mushrooms. I love it. And this one I cut apart and I made into a card because you can just fussy cut those. And then here, you can just cut apart on the lines and make cards. So I did a class on this. You've seen these already. So this one here, and then this one is where I fussy cut. Sorry for the light there. And this was someone else's card, not my original. But this one, she just used the dies and cut out the images because some of these images in the paper will coordinate with the dies. If you don't have the dies, you can just fussy cut them with the scissors. And then she added the pretty paper at the bottom. Okay, just a couple more. And these aren't all of them. I'm just showing you some that I have because I can. So here's another one. This one's called Brushed with Beauty. This is, again, beautiful paper. This has a little calmer look to it than some of the others, but so pretty, isn't it? Look at this. Oh my goodness. Yes, look at that. Look at that backside. So this one, I made up a couple cards. Here's this one made with that paper. And this one was from someone else. Someone else had made this one up. And she just cut a square out of there and used the backside, I believe, on a leaf. So there's that. And then there is one more that I'm going to show you. This one is so fun. It's called Homemade Sweetness. This one has got all sorts of jellies and honeys and fruit, and it's got some patterns on the back that are just fresh and fun. So look at the floral on that one. So cute. Look at that. Ah, love it. And so then I made up a few cards, and I maybe showed these one time, but here they are again. I just fussy cut it. So I put the gingham behind it, and so it looks kind of like a tablecloth. And then I just cut out the jam preserve jars and then the little piece of fruit to go with it. So fun paper. So don't forget, this sale ends the end of the month, but items are coming and going because they're going on sale and going out of sale. So check it out at my website right there and contact me. Like this video if you like seeing product in action with samples. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.